Welcome to this week's weekly training. So today I'm going to be talking about exploring the benefits of WordPress, why it's the perfect solution for starting your website. And so I'm going to be talking a little bit about themes tonight, WordPress themes that are available. So for those of us who haven't met, my name is LaWanda Engel, and I'm a WordPress web developer, and I help female business owners to create unique WordPress websites that reflect their style and elevate their online presence with VIP days. So let's get started with the training. So the first thing that, it's provided by the theme. So WordPress, first of all, to begin with, WordPress has over 8,000 themes to choose from. And so it's a wide range of themes from blog themes to, membership themes. And so today we're gonna look a little bit into the themes that are available with WordPress. And so what you're looking at on the screen is the back end of WordPress. So when you're going into, and so I just created this mock website to be able to show this with you today. So this is when you first create your back end to begin your website. This is what you'll see. This is what it'll look like. So this is like a fresh, brand new, the back end of a WordPress website. And so on the side here, um, you've got the dashboard. This is which you'll see the main dashboard. You've got home. This is where updates. And so those are like where you'll usually, if there's a number there, that means like either a plugin or a theme needs to be updated. Posts, media, where you can house your photos or videos. Pages, that's the pages of your website. So like your home page, your about page. Comments, those are comments that are made on like say you have a blog post, on the blog post. Appearance, this is where you can edit themes, change the menu bar, what you want on the menu to show. These are the plugins, and those plugins are those pieces of that can come in and help with like adding a calendar to your website, or adding like events, or your email or social media accounts to your website. These are users, and so say you have like more than one person that's going to be working on your website. Tools, those are different tools that are available, the settings to change for the back end of WordPress. And so that's just a brief overview. So today we're going to be looking, like I said, we're going to be looking at the themes. So you go to appearance and you click on themes. And so these are the themes. And so right away, the main default, it goes to this one right here. It's 2023. And that's the year. So each year there's a new, a theme that's available. And so for 2023, let's see I'll go click on it. And so that's what it looks like right now. So this is like fresh. This is what it looks like right now before you start creating it, adding your touch, your personality to the website. This is what it looks like. And so right here, so you want to go back to the dashboard, you can just hover on the name of your website, whatever name that you choose is right there. You hover over it, and then you can click on the dashboard, or you can go straight to themes. And so it takes you to the themes. And so right here, it's got the previous one. This is 21 and 22. And so to say you want to use one of the themes that WordPress has available, so you're going to click on Add New. And so right here, when you click on it, it's already showing there's a bunch of themes available that you can, to choose from right there. So say you want to narrow down the search. So let's look at a blog. We're going to look for blog. And so these are different blog ones. They've got colorful blog, magazine wave blog, blog explorer, code blog, different ones. And we can even, so say you just want to look at it and see what it's about, a closer look. And so it kind of gives you information about this particular theme. So it's clean and minimal blog, perfect for writers who need to create personal blog site with simple creative features. And so that's, right there. It gives you kind of like an idea. And so that's an idea for your blog. So you can just go back and close it out. And so then you can continue to look. Different ones to whatever fits your needs. Here's this one. And so you can choose that one. And so that's just the blog. And so say you need, let's see, business. So your online business, social business. It's got, look at this one real quick. It says based on the minimal design style, featuring modern, clean looks and great intuitive tools to customize your website experience. And so that's how it's showing you like the different, what you could, what it would look like, what you can add to it. And those are just the base things because you can change it. This is like a starting point, the theme. You don't have to keep it how it shows it. So you have that. That's what another thing great about WordPress. You can pick a theme and then you can change it how you want it. Let's see. We can also look at, let's see, we'll check out. And so you've got this, like, look at this one. Is it responsive, SEO friendly, community and membership theme for WordPress? Use the plugin to create user profiles. And so this one even tells you like what plugin to use to create user profiles for groups, memberships, content restriction, messaging, and communities. So this is, one that you could use to create a membership. And so you can search for that. So that's something to think about. And so once again, it gives you different ideas to create that membership. And so those are ways, but those are just, some of the ways. This is just like to touching on it. So I'm just going to select one. And so the one we're currently on. And so say we're happy with the one that we have. And so we're going to go into the dashboard. And so right there, you can, change the main, what you want on the main page right there, So I kind of, let's see. Some of that, change it to what you want to, drawing people in, and then you can just add. And so as you can see, WordPress has had some updates. And so you can just type right there. I'm going to choose a button. And so right there, I can add the text shop. I'm going to just add. And then you can add. Let's say so you can clear out this and you can bring up an image. So say you want to add an image. And so there's image right there and you can upload it, or you can click on the media library if you have, images in your media library. So I'm just, going to click on this. And so then you can add that. And then you can see it as you can continue to add to it. And then also some people use additional help, and not just the WordPress, so Eliminator, like for Elementor, which is another way to create themes, and that is what I use on my website. It's like an extra help. That does cost, but it's like an extra help to build with, and so it gives you even more variety to create your website. And so you can save, and then you can click on view. It's not, I just, kind of showing you what you can do. So that's just a sample. And then so you can go back to the themes. Like I said, you can, this is just a quick, tutorial to kind of show you what, there is available with WordPress. Um, and so, like I said, you can go back in, and I mean, these are just some of them. You can just click on them and research them and look at them and see which ones that you want to use, and which, what's going to fit your website and fit your personality to use for your website. And so those are just the, one thing, the themes, a wide variety of themes, it's cost effective. WordPress is an open source and it's free to use, which means, you know, you can access the platform without incurring any upfront costs. The only thing you need to worry about is your domain name and the hosting, which do cost. It's user friendly. So, like I said, you can use the themes and use the block editing to create your website, or you can, if you need help, you can also do that too. You just don't have the time to work on your website, and it's just, too much. You can reach out for help. And so either way, it's that available flexibility and its customization. With WordPress, you can have full control of your website's design and functionality. So you can, customize themes, um, like I said, as per your requirements, or like I said, you can hire someone to help you um, to create a customized theme that's going to fit you and fit your personality. They're SEO friendly. WordPress is known for its SEO friendly architecture, which means you can um, your websites can rank higher on the search engine for Google. So it offers features for each connection creation. So that's something to think about. And so this was just a brief, overview of the, of themes of WordPress. And so, and that's why I created, because I know it's hard when you're first starting out, creating your website. You don't understand all the different features and all the functionalities of WordPress, and so that's why I've created this workshop um, to explore even deeper the back end of WordPress. And so together we can walk through overview of the dashboard, navigating the dashboard, overview of posts and pages, understanding the media library, creating and managing categories and tags, using user management and roles, and working with themes and plugins. This was just a brief overview of themes, but we're going to go even deeper. How themes, if it's good to use themes or not, you know, how to work with them, how the dashboard works, the different functionalities of all these, options available, and how they're always updating and always making it better WordPress to use. So if you are interested with that, please comment WordPress in the comments and I will provide you the link to join us. I would love to come in and to show you how WordPress can help you with your website. If you have questions, please post them in the comments and I will answer them for you. I will see you next week.